This place, rain reaches down almost shyly to caress the sleeping sea. Languid, wind-robbed, pulse and tide, inhale and exhale, a kindness, a fierceness.
Erimol an agéin mór, tá gá chuire sinanta cogant féir. Tá chuire bháin fisrach, cé nach tigan si cén fá. Ní fis céir de Harlíon ar éon imol. Ach, fás an féir agus ólan cuire, gan ords.
This place, tucked in from the Atlantic, reaching arms out to sea. The gesture of this place, land meeting water like a great cymbal crash.
Ó agéan daimhin Atlantach, is tusa an bhrin a umprian agus a freichahan dahana dríochtan a spéire. In istíirech tá mo chrí a dausa mar honta agus a glúiseach de dró a chladaí.
The rolling farms of the east, the heathered hills, the quiet waiting bog. And to the west, the soar and need of the still mountains. This place.
Go sirí a seasamh in san áit chéana, a brathar bháisteach grían agus gaí. Tá símar síntina ar fáil sa chail, preban grás dúlacht crín ó na rótaí.
This place. Pebble dash and window box, order cultivated in the riot, but a bit of riot left in for good measure. A man repainting his grandfather's name above the door slicks on a new coat on layers, thick as your palm.